So in some of my videos now, I've mentioned a farm where I've picked quite a few ingredients that I use in my videos. It's actually my parents' farm on this island of Kojido. And the thing about farms in Korea is that they're not generally like huge open fields. A lot of the time, they're just like smaller rice fields like this. And my parents just have like a small allotment, which is kind of normal sized for Korea. But let me show you around. This whole outside area, this is all daechu, which is Chinese dates or jujube. They aren't quite ripe yet, but that's what they look like. And then every single one of these black pots is a blueberry bush. And these have only just been planted, so they're not too big at the moment, but give it a couple of years, they should be a bit bigger. Along the back here, this is all figs. This time of year, it's like every day there's a few figs that we can pick and are just ready to harvest, and they're delicious. This is also a peach tree here, and we had a storm recently and it broke the peach tree, so I don't know what they're going to do with this. Maybe it's still going to survive, who knows. We also got some persimmon, but these grow everywhere around here. Moving into the greenhouse. Hanging just above the beds, these are all seedlings and cuttings. We've got parsley. These are like yard beans or meter beans. Got loads of grapes growing at the moment. This is what happens when you just let asparagus grow and you don't cut it when it's a shoot. There's actually not much in the greenhouse right now because it's sort of coming to the end of the growing season. But out here in sort of like the wild patch area, we've also got getnip, which is perilla. We've got a lot of it. It just kind of grows wild here. Aubergines or eggplants. These are the Korean or Japanese style ones, so they're a bit longer, not so fat. My dad also recently planted rhubarb, which is doing really well here, so there's some rhubarb in there. And then also some kale. But I think the best part about this farm is definitely the view.